In this lesson, you will learn how to use if, else, and when to control what your app does based on conditions. Let's start with if for making decision. So the if statement checks a condition, and if it is true, it runs some code. Let's see how it works. So I want to check someone's age. If the person is older citizen, I'll give the person discount. How do you do it? You create a variable to hold the person's age. Let's say the person is 65. Then you write if, and then you open and close bracket. So inside the bracket, you check the condition. So this is where you apply comparison operators. So we want to check if the age is greater or equal to 60. This is comparison operators. After the condition, run the code inside the curly bracket. So let me take it again. To write if statement to check a condition and then write a piece of code. You use if. After the if, you open and close a bracket. Inside the bracket, you check your condition. You use comparison operator. After the condition, you specify what should happen inside this code. So I can just print the message, you qualify for a senior citizen discount. When we run it, you see you are qualified for a senior citizen. So this is what is happening. It is checking this condition. Is the age greater than 65 or equal to 65? So if I make it 70, you realize that 65 is never greater than 70. So when you run it, the code will not run. Yep, no result because this condition is false. So this part of the code will only run when this condition is true. Let me bring this back to 55. So when we run it, you realize 65 is greater than 55. So the message has been printed. I can try another one. I'm creating a variable called is student. So now I'm checking if you are a student. So this one, I'll just pass is student and I'll print the message. So all what is required inside this bracket is a boolean, true or false. So whatever operation you perform inside this bracket must evaluate or must end up being a boolean. So either you perform calculation that will give you true or false, or you pass true directly or false directly. So you can see that this variable, I just assigned false to this variable and I use it here and